The most cost-effective constant temperature soldering iron in the whole network. It is coming. Rapid temperature rise. A touch is welded. Fast return temperature. Refuse to wait. With temperature calibration function, accurate temperature control. 5 gears temperature storage function saves time and effort for maintenance. Long press can accurately adjust, set the temperature at will. There are 2 temperature patterns, degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Free adjustment of sleep time, convenient maintenance. T-12 series universal handle, easy to disassemble. Built-in fuse, short circuit protection. Titanium alloy body, full of science and technology. Exudes maintenance charm. All metal integrated dormancy. Cost effective. Not only the appearance of fashion, but also fully functional constant temperature soldering station, so that your maintenance desktop more tasteful.